In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickUp in your scenario editor. To get started, open your scenario editor and locate the ClickUp module you want to configure. This is the module that will allow your scenario to interact directly with your ClickUp account. So it's important to make sure you're working in the correct place before moving forward. Once you've found it, click on the ClickUp module to open its settings. This is where you'll begin the connection process and define exactly where your automation should point inside ClickUp. Next, look for the Add button in the connection area and click it. This will open a new connection window where you can link your ClickUp account to the scenario editor. If you've never connected ClickUp before, this is the point where the platform will ask you to authorize access. If you already have an existing connection, you may still use this step to create a separate one if needed for a different workspace or setup. Take a moment here to confirm that you're selecting the right option, since this connection will determine which ClickUp data the module can access. When the login window appears, sign into your ClickUp account and continue through the authorization process. During this step, you'll be asked to choose which workspaces you want to authorize. This is an important part of the setup because the module will only be able to access the workspaces you approve here. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you select the ones relevant to this scenario so you don't run into access issues later. Once you've finished authorizing, confirm the connection and return to the scenario editor. After the connection is created, go back into the module configuration and choose the specific location you want the module to use inside ClickUp. Start by selecting the correct space, then choose the folder, and finally the list. This step tells the module exactly where it should create, read, or manage items, depending on how your scenario is designed. Choosing the right structure here helps keep your workflow organized and ensures the automation runs in the intended part of your ClickUp setup. Once those fields are selected, your ClickUp module is connected and pointed to the right destination. At that point, you're ready to continue building the rest of your scenario with confidence.